Hey, welcome to the Leader Roots podcast. My name is Stephen Smallwood. Hey, especially want to talk to the leaders out there right now. I've been thinking about this lately, especially during this time where all the chaos and the drama and the politics, guys, it's affecting not only your team members, but it's affecting you too, both in your personal life and in your work life. Time is ticking, and we celebrate birthdays and anniversaries and milestones. But here's the truth. Living long means nothing without truly living. That's because in the end, it's not the years in your life that matters. It's the life in your years. And the real tragedy isn't dying too soon. It's living too little. And I was reminded of this at a recent family reunion where I have 11 siblings. My youngest brother is over 50. And we were sitting around telling stories, and you know what kept coming up in the conversation? One day. The words, one day I'll take this trip. One day I'll start this project. One day I'll spend more time with people that matter to me other than family. But leaders, you and I have lived long enough to know this, and that one day isn't promised. The cemetery is full of people who plan to start. They planned to start this thing that was really valuable to them, and they were going to do it tomorrow. But for them, tomorrow never came. Guys, life doesn't give out extensions. It hands us moments. And those moments are slipping away while we wait, while we put things off, while we bury our dreams under the excuses of what's going on the outside of us. Listen, life isn't measured by the days on the calendar. It's measured by the impact that we make and the experiences we embrace and the memories that we help create for others. I once read or heard something and it said 25 years of truly living with purpose, with passion, and with fire is more valuable than 60 years of drifting. So here's the challenge. Because we need to stop surviving the years that we have and start living them. We need to fill them with meaning, laugh louder, love harder, and do the things that we've been putting off. And this is a big one for me. Guys, I've seen this in too many families. We've got to fix the relationships that pride has broken. In my own family, we don't always agree. We have our differences, we have our arguments, and sometimes we even have our silences. But over time, we've learned to put those aside and focus on what matters most. And those are the things that we have in common, and we have more connections in common than anything else. And that's what creates life in our years. And that's what leadership is about too. Because at the end, no one's going to ask how many birthdays you had. They're not going to ask how many goals that you was able to check off your list. The real question will be, did your life leave a mark? Did you live all of your life? So stop waiting for more years in your life to make life meaningful. Pour the life you have right now in the years that you have. Because in the end, it's not the years in your life that counts. It's the life in your years. Guys, thank you for joining me on this podcast. I hope it was helpful, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.